What's that? Ooh, what you got? Oh, oh, I see that. What's that in your head? You gonna go boxing? Excuse me. Stink butt. Yeah, stink butt. When you gonna go get haircut? Are you going to get haircut? Get haircut?
Oh look, it's open. Look, it's open.
Why? That's a nasty candy.
Can Sean eat it?
Nobody eats it. It's nasty.
He ate it last night.
Nobody eats it. That's nasty.
Then who's gonna eat it?
Nobody.
Then who's gonna make it good?
Make it what?
That good.
Nobody eats it. That's trash. Trash.
I won't eat it.
Where you going today? Where you going? No. No. Don't go nowhere. Don't go out there. No. Don't go out there. Where you going? Come on in. Come on. Yes. Bug in the house. What kind of bug in the house?
The bug is at the new one house. The one is clean.
It's ant?
No, it's a worm.
Oh no. That's
There's
it.
the spider, the big one. There's too much worm.
Yeah.
There's too much worm. Because too much worm, they're dead, and they're not dead.
That's a germ.
They're in the house.
If they have the worm.
The new one, clean one in there. We're gonna clean up the bug.
Come on. Let's get in. Oh, what's that? What is that? Let me see. What's that? Is it earring? Earring?
No,
Gold? You find a gold?
that looks like my dinosaur.
Okay. Okay,
The
let's
ring.
just get into the house. Say bye-bye to your friend.
Oh shoot!
There. No, no, don't go there. Please don't go there. Please don't go there. Don't go there, please. Come on back. Okay, let's get in. I'm gonna close the door, okay? I'm gonna close the door. Come on in. Get to your mommy. Give the flower to mommy. Hey, mommy, flower for you. Flower.
Here.
Sit down here. Where she go?
I don't know.
Give to your daddy. Go. Come on. Come on in and close the door. Come on. Say bye. Come on. Say bye-bye.
Oh!
Say bye-bye.
Oh my God!
Okay, see you guys later.
I
Bye-bye.
found something.
Bye.
No, hold on.
What is that?
Oh my God!
Oh, inside there. Oh, look at beautiful. That's a beautiful flower, come on. Ah. Yeah. Cute little face. You're so cute. Come on, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at how cute are you.
Oh my
Look at
God!
that.
There's a lot.
So cute.
There's a lot.
What?
There's a lot of these.
A lot of flower. It's a lot of flower. Come on, you're so cute. Cute little baby.
Oh!
Bye, let's come on. Come on in. Bye. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. Open the door. I'm gonna close the door. Okay. Go. Bye. Say bye bye. Come on. Oh, you plant. You plant a flower. All right. Plant a flower. Okay. Let them go.
This one is broken.
Okay. Put in the dirt.
Oh, I found some bugs.
Okay. That's it.
Wait, let them be covered.
Oh, it's beautiful now. Let it go. Yep. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Okay, pa.
I'm gonna cover them.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, come on. I'm gonna close the door, right?
I'm still covering them.
Yes. Okay, that's good enough. Good job. Okay.
I'm still covering them.
Yes. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye, friends. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Okay. Bye.
I'm still.
Okay. That's it. Good job. All right. Good job. Good job. Bye bye.